What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
YouTube just sent an email to Narry channel telling him to remove videos. Yeah, asking him to remove video. But my question is, where was the same energy when the entire mob was branding him as a deadbeat dad without proof? The hypocrite is sickening. Or should I use the hypocrites is sickening, and I have the receipts. Guys, stay until the end because I'm going to show you. Guys, stick until the end. I'm make we talk. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? How you alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, hope you not feel no pain. And if you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor. If you don't have the money, make somebody bring you to the doctor because not everybody have the money for the doctor come to them house. And remember, guys, wellness check. Remember. Do some wellness check, guys. Check on your family, your friends, and even your enemy. Now, guys, I want to say a big respect to each and every one of you who watch my videos, like my videos, and share my videos and talk amongst each other about what I am putting out there, about what I'm doing on the behalf of ladies and people going through a lot out there. I'm talking on the behalf of them. Now, guys, I really want to say this part of it to you. Nothing that I bring out here I will ever tell a lie on nobody. I will not tell any lies on anyone. As you all see that all what I've been saying to you guys is now you guys are seeing it coming as evidence as from what I'm saying. I will not come out here and lie to any of you. If I don't have the information, I'll tell you I don't have it. If I have half of it, I won't even try to put it out there because that's half of it. What I'll put out there is 100% of the information, correct information, because I don't listen to what people just tell me. I do my due diligence and check, and I don't care how far back I go, I will find the information needed so you guys can have that information. However, guys, what I want to tell you all is that happy birthday to, if your birthday is today, January 4th, Sunday, if today is your birthday, happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. If your birthday was yesterday, or the first, or the second, happy belated birthday. Guess what happened? This month is my birthday month. Yes, this is my birthday month. I am a Capricorn. To all January people who is having birthday, what I'm going to start as of today, I want you to DM me. Send me your birthday and your name so I could shout you all out on your birthday. Come on now. Let's do it. And this is not only for January. For the whole year, this is something that I am going to starting today. Send me your birthday and I will shout out your birthday. Even if you're not a member of my channel. Even if subscribers, you are the one who I want to do it for all of you, my subscribers. And there is a lot of viewers who haven't subscribed as yet. Me no I wait pan. Subscribe no man. Run up the thing. There's a lot of viewers out there who not subscribe yet. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. And send me no thing. Anyway, guys, what me really want to talk about today, this morning. Me have other videos that me want to post, but me have to talk about this. Me have to talk about Narry. Narry, big up your stomach. Stand tall, youth. Me proud of you. Me honestly, from my heart and my mind and my soul, I am very proud of you. I hear Gunner over the one slackness radio there. The one that say I'm the best father. And I tell him pitney fi go tell me which part he go suck back juice. And say I'm the best father. And a drunk and a show firearm. What kind of best father that? Me not ready for you yet, you know. Me have something for you. Anyway, my viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Me respect Narry till me can't respect him no more. Narry come out. Yes, the one thing Narry do that I didn't like. And you know me tell him, because you know how me got to work. A tough love for me over a year, you know. I didn't like when he go up on Vibe Studio channel. Yeah, no, you not do that, man. You don't not where the enemies lies, you don't walk. Where the enemies cooking food, you don't go and eat because they will poison you. And him go over there, I me never like it, I me tell him. And to be honest with you, man, Nari make me proud, man. Me proud of you, man. Me very much proud of you when you come out pan live. Cause if you notice, me not do a live yet, you know. Me not do a live yet. Live coming anyway. Yes, man, live coming. But me not do a live yet. And Nari come out and do a live talk his truth. I never catch a light. And I haven't watched it yet. But you know me do video. Me talk from my heart. Yeah, me just want to see one something. And me can explain the whole thing. Nari come out and me see a part of the video, the last about maybe half an hour of the video, of the live me catch. And what Nari was saying is things that I know and things that I said in previous video about Sheena and about his estranged wife. However, Nari said something, you see, that I did ask the wife about, but I didn't get no answer. But I know the answer, but I just asked the question. Because I was wondering why she never come out and say, where is the child? But Nari explained that. None of you out there no realize that Nari said he have the child. So my question to all of you is, how comes you now wonder where and why Nari have the child and not the mother? Because it's all about trying to beat down Nari. So that means beating down Nari is beating down Alicia Kim, because guess what? Uno no have nothing to say about Kim. Uno no have nothing to say about the girl. Because guess what happened? Alicia Kim fly away. Fly away left uno in a dust. Imagine, in a dust Alicia Kim fly gone left uno. So uno turn pan Nari. For about 8 to 9 months, uno beat Nari left, uno beat Nari right, uno beat Nari go, uno beat him come back. Call him deadbeat father. Tell him say he no good, him a workless man, him a this, him a that. He no take care of him kids. He no feed him kids, he no buy them nothing, he no do nothing for him kids. Then you have this unscrupulous Sheena. Just like this unscrupulous Jackie. Me ready for you. Me I come for you. Unscrupulous Sheena. Come out. Say how. All kind of things. He no know where the man there. He know this, he know that, he know this, he know that. When everybody knows she a lie, she a tell. But yet still, the man was in Jamaica. August. I try to get him kid. But I went. Me no remember when you did come do the video. Me no remember, but you do the video after August when you go pan live. Pan the best worthless father. When you go pan the best worthless father channel. You know what the best worthless father channel? Me no want call him name again. At this name you call him best worthless father. Yeah, the V one, the one with the V, yeah, the best worthless father. The drunkard. Yeah, the one who drink and drunk. Yes, when she go up on film channel, she talk all kind of something. She don't know when there and all kind of things. When he know exactly where the man there. Now the man making channel, do him thing, put up him video, put up him this. Then report him channel. Them report him channel to YouTube. YouTube send him email. YouTube send him email. So my question to all of you and whosoever send the, to YouTube, whosoever write to YouTube, I have a question for you. Why didn't you write to YouTube telling YouTube about to stop them from calling him a deadbeat dad? Why didn't you write to YouTube and tell YouTube that they are antagonizing Alicia Kim while she's pregnant? Why didn't you write to YouTube and tell YouTube that they need to stop Rumram, need to stop body shaming people? Why didn't you write to YouTube and tell YouTube these things? Why? You don't have the guts, or as Gunna says, the balls, because guess what, Gunna? I tell you the truth, Narry come out with some balls so big. Me I tell you, me don't know which part na for you. Ay, ay, ay. Then can't hold him out. Because Narry come out wicked, talk truth, all I know. Start to write to YouTube. But you know YouTube, I know you watch everything and see everything. But I have to say this to YouTube. YouTube really need a different way of doing these things. Because if you can allow a person to do whatever they want, and as soon as somebody write to YouTube and tell YouTube that this person is doing that, and YouTube immediately is going to send you an email, that simply means that there is no protection for the creator. Because if the creator is telling the truth, and somebody who don't want the truth to go out can write to YouTube and says, that's too much, that shouldn't happen, take it down. And YouTube is going to say, content creator, you need to take it down, you need to review it and take it down or fix it. That simply means the content creator doesn't really have the right to talk the truth. We have to make it make sense. The truth hurts. And if it wasn't truth, if what he was saying and what he's doing isn't truth, the real truth, nothing but the truth, they wouldn't report it. They would not report it if it wasn't the truth. And for 8, 9 months, all of you was beating down Narry, calling Narry names, telling Narry so much things. You know how that guy feel? Knowing that he's not a deadbeat father, knowing that he tried, knowing that he do everything to help his son, knowing that his son have a visa, and knowing that his son can come to spend holiday with him in America, and the mother of his child holding the child back from him and coming on social media telling you all lies about the guy. Sheena, let me say something to you, Sheena. When we left a girl, we not take care back. She coulda come out with yard, she coulda beg and a chat. When she did that, we she never know what to do. No ride again. Sheena, no ride again for you. When you did have the man, you should have know what to do. And when you have a man and you have a child and that man want DNA test, that says a lot. That says a lot. Let me tell you something, Sheena. I sit down and watch you. I watch you lie to the police. Sheena, I watch you lie to the police. I couldn't take it. I couldn't take it knowing that you are lie right in front of the policeman. You are lie in front of the policeman and go on like he's an intelligent dunce. It's not like you not intelligent, you know. It's not like you're not a smart woman, you know. It's not like you have your education. My viewers and subscribers have me excuse. You have your education, but cocky and mash up your brain. Because when you remember and remember all kind of things and remember say you try to trap the man by going you yourself go to buy the dress. How you going to buy a wedding dress when the man hold on a little bit. Let me laugh. Hold on a little bit. How the hell you going to go try on a wedding dress when the man not say yes? Oh, hold on. You not even did ask the man yet. You not even did ask the man yet. You go try on wedding dress. You like take cook. Oh, hold on. You did not take drugs? Eh? You did. Hold on. And so the man no married you. You turn against the man. Eh? The man no married to you. And you turn against the man. Start use the man son as a weapon against him. Because you ask the man to marry you and the man say no. The man no. And the man, hey Narry, come here. Come here, Narry. Wait, me have a song. Tutum. Narry, you knew. Say you shouldn't. Hold on, let me fix my glass. People. Potom. Narry, you knew. Say you shouldn't and never be married Sheena. Cause Sheena would be a thorn in your back. Hold on, people. On Sunday morning, me can't go answer. On Sunday morning, me can't go answer the people not wake up yet. They not wake up yet. Hold on. Boy, Narry, you dodge this a bullet. You say, Narry, remember me tell you dodge this a bullet. You dodge one of the wickedest bullet you ever dodge in your whole entire life when you never accept the invitation of married. Lord God, Narry, any side where you did a sleep and then continue sleep. Because remember me tell you, if you did ever marry to that, hey, Narry, if you did, if Nari, if you if you only know the blessing that salvation bring, when you never married to Sheena. Oh, me say, Nari, you make one of the hey Nari, if you watch that video, go and go drink a beer. Go and go drink a beer for me and you because guess what? By you not marrying Sheena, by you not accepting Sheena invitation to marry, you dodge the bullet. You dodge the bullet. Cause remember me tell you, if you did ever marry to Sheena, you'd have married to one big load of crosses. Because there's no way a woman should have so lie and wicked that's August, you come and then I think November, October, check up on YouTube for say for say you not take care of you, she don't know where you're there and all kind of something. What how you so wicked? How you want so wicked? Remember me tell you, Nari, remember me tell you, go down for any and pray to Father Jesus, yeah? Because remember me tell you that day, that way back when is just a pity. The youth they on the earth already. So you can't really sorry for that because are your youth and you know, I saw it go. But what me really want to say too is this. When me listen to all of them vibes, yeah, me call him Cho. Oh, me call him the name again. Cho. Me never want to call him the name, you know. Because me want to call him best dirty father. best dirty father. Yeah, him say I'm the best father, but him is a best dirty father. When me listen to best dirty father and him little skimming people him over there, I the one named SS. We never know which one that name one named SS. She talk like she think she has somebody. The one we name disgraceful Jackie and lackadaisical Quiche and the one we name Brokeback. When me listen to them, I talk about how Nari a carry down in baby mother. And how Nari a do this to baby mother. And how Nari a do this to baby mother. Me can't believe, say, uno really a beat down Nari now for the baby mother when the baby mother was beating down Nari and uno did that help. Let me ask you something, see? Uno delusional? Eh, uno all uno over the junk like a best slackness father, best dirty father. All uno over the delusional are just terrible. How comes uno know what talk about the man a carry down? Uno never did that talk about when the wife and the baby mother carry him down. No, uno never did talk about that. Uno love that. Me hear so somehow no pay people for do them sitting there too. Are them sitting down over there going with? Pay people for carry down people? Oh boy. Then again, this little one named disgraceful Jackie. Come here. Disgraceful Jackie, you come here. So disgraceful Jackie, you start to compare Narry with your husband. You say Narry is hard to look at. You say Narry is, you don't know how Alicia Kim look pan Narry. Hold on a little bit. So I looks, you look man for no wonder. No wonder why the man did broke your foot and take away all of your money. Because I looks you look. Looks is not important. All I want to hear talk about looks. As a matter of fact, you see the whole of uno love talk about looks and how people dress and all them things because that's all uno do. That's all uno do. Worry about the looks and how people dress. And uno no worry about the most important thing, the art. The art of the people, because even that one they talk about how she wear the ring. Yes, you wear the ring, but with the art there over Alicia Kim, you little piece of um nobody. Let me say this to you, ambitious Jackie. You should be ashamed of yourself. Every time you get your carry your husband in a this thing, it shows that your husband have no talk at the yard. Because the husband can't go too long without call if he make she know where you there. Are you aware the pants in that the relationship? Are you aware the pants in the relationship? Another manipulator. Another manipulator. You little disgraceful Jackie. Yeah, you disgraceful Jackie. I talk about how the man hard to look at and how the man this. You think you make nobody look? No, me can't say that. I will not go there. I will hold that part back. When you see how me ugly bad enough. Let me see. Let me sing one song. Pretty looks done, and me no get none. The looks done, and me no get none now. You can't stay the worry about my looks. Looks when you go at some place, unless you go for go model. Looks have nothing to do with you. Look on seal. You know see seal? Seal have a big mark right there, so. And look how much money Seal have, and Seal was a model. So you hear me about me just go because call it the name where you put yourself. So disgraceful Jackie, the time you take and I come out and I talk about how the man look and your husband and something, I believe you should have take a time out and sit down and look into yourself. Go in at the mirror. Or go outside, go plant some pumpkin. The pumpkin never come. Eh? Why you not go farm up the place? Plant pumpkin and see if you can sell some pumpkin. Every day you mix and talk about your husband, your husband, your husband. Thank God you finally find a good man where you can press button like remote control. Thank God. Thank thee to God that you find a man that you can press button like a remote control, like he's the TV and you are the remote control. You are hold the control and you are press the button. Thank God you find one man like that. Because the one way did that, guys, what me want to say is have a wonderful day. Until the next video, I'll be coming in. But remember, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. And you don't know if you do. Stay blessed. I'm out.